Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing fabulous today. I have had a nice relaxing weekend and I'm ready to get back to the rat race. So now we are starting our new upload schedule. So it's been a couple days since I've seen you. This is pre-recorded by a couple days, so I'm just ending my weekend, but we're supposed to be about halfway through the week now. So with that being said, let's see, what do I have to tell you guys today? Not much, so I'm not going to ramble on too long, except, as you know, giveaways going on right now, and so make sure you get entered. The link is down below, and I will link the video somewhere around here. To get yourself entered, make sure you click the link below. You don't even have to go to that video, I don't think. I don't think that's required. You can just click the link below here and get yourself entered. You just have to be subscribed here, subscribe to my Insta, go like my Facebook page, give me your firstborn child, a drop of blood in a vial. I'm just kidding, just those first three things, and you can earn extra bonus entries by watching one of my videos that is linked. It's a specific video, so make sure you check it out below. So yeah, that's all I have for you. And as we grow, like I said, we're first starting off with 3 items. You're gonna get, the winner will get 3 Clinique Lippies, a 5-pack of JLB metallic liquid lipsticks, and the Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette. This one's not yours, this one's mine. Sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled programming. I just wanted to let you know that we have hit over 420 subscribers, so I am adding another product to the bundle, and the next product that you will be winning is this Physicians Formula Mosaic Bundle. It has the shimmer strip, shadow, and liner, the Magic Mosaic Custom Blush, and the Magic Mosaic Custom Bronzer. So that is also going in the giveaway bundle for you. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. But I have one for you guys. I just have this here because I might be using it today. Not sure. Haven't decided yet. But I'll know when I start doing it. I do know what look I'm going for. I just don't know which palette I'm going to dive into yet. So I'm going to go ahead and create a simple glam look. I know there will be glitter involved because I got this new palette that I've tried out off camera, obviously, and I'm obsessed with these glitters, so I have to put them to use today. So I'm gonna do a simple glam. You know, glitter can make the most simple eye glam, so I'm just gonna create a way, do a little simple glam for you guys, and that is all I have for you. So let's get into the video. Probably the shortest video intro I've ever had. I'm keeping it under 5 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna keep it under 3 minutes, so see you guys in just a sec. Bye. So to start off in the transition, I'm taking 2 P's in the You Had Me at Hello Colourpop palette and just blending that in there. By the way, this palette is in the giveaway, so you get to see it get used and get some ideas if you win. And then I'm taking Pulling Strings, also just a little bit below the transition. I'm just darkening up the crease a little bit more and defining it and trying to keep most of it in the outer corner. And then I'm going to go in, after I blend that out in the corner and in the crease, I'm going to use the brush that I had 2 P's on, not picking up any extra color, just whatever's on the brush and blending those two back together. And then I'm going to go in with Want You Back. You remember that Backstreet Boys song? I'm just taking that into the crease with a little bit more defined of a brush, and just working that into the crease, kind of keeping that in there, and then kind of blending it out just a little bit. I don't want that too high up because I decided that I'm going to create a simple nudie cut crease. So then I'm going to go ahead and darken my crease up with Sparks Fly, and I'm taking this pencil definer brush and just creating a bunch of little lines, and then I'm going to connect and blend them all together. That's kind of my method for creating a dark thinner line in my crease without tugging at my skin, because I do have severely bad hooded eyes, and I noticed my skin tugs really bad, so I just create a lot of little lines, as you can see, and kind of blend them all together, and that helps keep the line nice and straight and keeps the color where I want it. And then I just flick it out a little bit at the edge. So with my IT Cosmetics crease definer brush, I'm just kind of blending it out slightly. I want to keep the crease darkened and I don't want it blended up too much. So then to cut my crease, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm actually using, I believe this is a lip brush that I got in an Ulta free bag of goodies or something. I generally like using these little lip brushes or eyeliner brushes to cut my crease because they create straighter lines. So I'm just filling in all of my eye, and then on the outer corner I am going to also create almost like I'm drawing my winged eyeliner, and this is going to create that negative space there, and it's going to make my crease look a little more winged out. So this is my little trick and secret to creating that crease looking a little more flicked out and winged out. Yeah, that's what I mean. To set the lid, I'm going to go in with Moonstruck and the Knot and mix those two together. So dance break numero uno is over. I have quite a few of them throughout this. I was watching a movie with my hubby and it had a badass soundtrack to it, so I couldn't help but get my groove on. I can't help it. When there's music on, I dance. My husband will tell you, I even dance to commercials because I'm that lame. So yeah. And now that we have that set down, I'm just going back with the pencil brush and going back over the crease, making sure everything is darkened in the way that I like, and then blending it back out because that is what I do. And now I get to go in with the iMagic Pro glitter palette, and I'm just taking this. It's like a white gold glitter. It's not quite gold and it's not quite silver. So it's kind of like white gold, and just placing that on the eye. I love this stuff because I don't need glitter glue or anything. It just goes on so perfectly. So I'm just keeping that negative space there and lining it with the glitter, and it came out so beautiful. So now for the the inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the Knot because it's a gorgeous pigmented, super pigmented, perfect highlight color. And now for the lower lash line, I am going in with 2 Ps, which is what I used in my transition area. Sorry, had to clear my throat. And yeah, dusting that on there. And then I'm taking the Sparks Fly and basically keeping this as close to the lash line as possible and lining that. And then I'm also going to take the brush and also just kind of underline the wing on the outside perimeter of the eye, and basically just outlining that negative space. That's just going to give it a little more definition and basically create the illusion, or basically draw attention to it and show that it's there. Now I'm going to just tight line my top lash line with the Ciate Wonderstruck eyeliner, one of my favorite eyeliners as well. It's a gel pencil. And then I'm going to use my Japanese nudie one on my lower lash line, my nudie one. It's just called nude or cream or something like that. On my lower lash line to make my eyes pop a little bit more, make them look bigger than what they are. The chance that asked the world to dance, and I was dancing with myself, with myself. Like, who doesn't love Billy Idol? You know, my voice isn't the greatest, but you know. So I'm just coating my lashes with the Tarte Lash Paint to prepare them for my for my false lashes. Lord help me. How could you not dance to this song, you know?
I mean, right? How could you not dance to that song? So anyway, I'm just using my Duo Lash Glue and my Ardell Wispies, popping those babies on. Oh my God, I seriously love Billy Idol. I can't get over it. How could you not sing and dance to that song? I don't know one person that could do it. You try. You try not to do it. Just kidding. So I'm using Fenty Beauty's Up to No Good lipstick, and this is seriously one of my new favorite lipstick formulas. They're so pigmented, so creamy, and super matte at the same time. Like Rihanna killed it with these. And then I topped it off with the Kylie lip gloss in So Cute, because it is so cute. And I just wanted a little bit of gloss because my lips are drier than the Sahara Desert. And this, my dears, is the final look. I loved using this palette. It is so amazing, and I can't wait to see what the winner thinks about it. I loved it, and I'm not the best with a cut crease, but I am getting better. So if you want more tutorials like this, let me know down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye, Glam Dolls. Have a fabulous rest of your week, and Fun Day Friday is around the corner.